Hello, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today I am really proud to have this German watchmaking masterpiece from the house of Nomos, located in town of Glashütte, Germany. And as you all know, that Glashütte is a town of many fine German watchmaking brands. Really good watchmaking from that town. And today I am really proud to present you the Nomos Metro 38mm date, the reference number 1102. So without further wait, let us go to the watch details. As you see, the watch is a really Bauhaus kind of minimalistic design, and too little of the watch case and too much of the dial. That is really something to incorporate in a 38.5mm overall case dia. So let us go to the case material. The case material is stainless steel, which has a very nice polish, a very nice and fine polish here, and that is really well made and of really high quality. The sapphire crystal here is the domed sapphire crystal that gives it a really nice dress watch kind of feel, really good fit and finish, and something really good to have in a collection. As I have said that the case dia is 38.5mm, the height is just 7.8mm in this. The water resistance on these watches are 3 atmosphere, that is around 30 meters. Now let us go to the dial. The dial here is a galvanized with white silver plating on it. The indices are blue in 12, 3 and 9 plus 9 indices. That is really nice cool blue kind of color, very grayish blue kind of color. The main hands of hours and minutes are black oxide coated, while the sub-second hand at 6 o'clock is burnt orange kind of paint that is really contrasting with the dial itself. The date window here is a trapezium cut dial with a big date window and a really big, the print here that gives a very good legibility on the overall dial. And as you can see, it has been mentioned made in Germany. The hour indices are black dots apart from the blue dots, but the sub-register of the minutes are written in 65 with an increment of 5 minutes over each, and 5 seconds as well, but the seconds hand is sub-seconds, so it is not much of a need here. That's really good. Now let us go to the caliber of the watch. That is really a premier caliber, the caliber DUW 4101 from Nomos Glashütte. As you can see, it has been mentioned DU 4101, Nomos Glashütte Deutsche Uhrenwerke. This means German watchmaking. That is really good. And if you can see the case back is really nice. I think the decoration with blued screws, heat blued screws, and all those sapphire crystals, as well as the very nice look on the escapement, that gives it a really good fit and finish. The caliber DUW 4101 was launched in 2015, and it is a successor of the Nomos Beta movement. This watch has the vibration of 21,800 beats per hour, and it has a 42 hours of power reserve. The movement is suspended over 23 jewels, and the movement thickness is just 2.8mm. It has a really nice rhodium plating for exceptional finishing, along with the designs of Glashütte stripes and perlage, that you can see the linear engravings as well as the circular engraving. That is really cool. The case back also has a really nice polish, as you can see my reflections on it as well. So this is really good. And with the movement dia of only 32.1mm, I think the designers had a very little to work with the case, but they have really done it well. So I would really say this is really a masterpiece. The crown has a signed Nomos logo, as you can see here. That is really shiny. Now you can see the Nomos signed logo. And as you know that this is a hand winder movement, so I have to get it hand cranked just to get it started. As you can see that the second hand has started moving, and the escapement continuously oscillating here. Take a close look here. That is really cool. Now let us go to the strap. The strap also is a really high quality, and this is a really good quality of a Horween Shell Cordovan, and it is a really good black strap with a 19 mm width and a quick change spring bar. The lugs here are, though it looks a kind of wired lugs, but it is really integral with the case. If you can see it here, the machining has been done so precisely that you cannot tell the difference, but it is not wired lug, it is totally integral with the case. The lug is also really good here. So this is a really fine German timepiece, and without making you wait, let me put it on the wrist and let me show you how it looks. And since I manually do the reviews, I think I will take some time to get this on my wrist, so you definitely want to wait for it. And here it goes. See how perfectly it sits on my wrist without any oversizing or without any discomfort and something. The strap really is a snug fit along my wrist, along the curve of my wrist, and this is how it looks. So thank you for the video, and I think I would further get some really good reviews of another Nomos watch in near future. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram at HoroNation. All the links are down below. You can really go and check. And in the end, I would really like to thank a very good doctor from Mumbai for lending me this watch for photographies and reviews. So stay safe in this COVID pandemic. We all are in this together, and we will get out of this together. Have a nice one. Bye.